Hello friends, welcome back to this series of tenses, and today our tenses part is future continuous tense part 10, and it's the last part of this tense. And in this last part, today we will explore the practice session of this, that is what we have learned. Okay, so before starting this, I want to tell you that if you have learned how to use this tense, when to use this tense, when not to use this tense, and also you have already learned the contraction, how to contract that. You have already learned the short answers, how to give the short answers, and also you have also learned the structure and the sentence making of this. And also you have also learned the spelling changes when the word changes a little bit. And besides, you have also learned that is the common errors of this tense. So I hope that is you are supposed to do it. Okay, so you are supposed to do this tense as well. So okay, so congratulations, you have reached your goal, and today we are going to end this tense and we are going to focus with a new tense, okay, after this part. And in this final part of this tense, we will just explore the structure. You have learned the three sections: positive, negative, and question. In the positive, we have learned she will be visiting Canada. Okay, well, it's in the positive, and if we want to negative, there are two ways. If we want to do it negative, first up is that is the formal one, she will not be visiting Canada, and the informal one, that is she won't be visiting Canada. The next is, will she be visiting Canada? It's in the positive form. But if we want to make it into negative, we have to follow the two rules. That is, first of all, the former rule up here, will she not be visiting Canada or won't she be visiting Canada? Because you have learned the two ways, that is formal and informal, during the negative as well. So I suppose that you could do it. Okay, and also we have learned that the WH words, that is we can say with this, that is, when will be she visiting Canada, when will she not be visiting the Canada, or we can say when won't she be visiting Canada. We can also say with how often, that is, how often will she be visiting Canada, how often will she not be visiting Canada, how often won't she be visiting Canada, and more. There are many kinds of WH questions. Okay, so if you read this in the study, if you study this in the book, then you can get it. So here we have already ended one tense, that is future continuous tense, like other tenses. Okay, so we have already learned the 6 basic tenses. Okay, and it's the last tense and is the last basic tense. And congratulations, from next part we are going to jump into the advanced level of tense, and we are going to start perfect tenses. Okay, so next part we are going to introduce the perfect tenses, how it works, and also we will see some examples as we did our previous 6 tenses. Okay, so no more talking, and see you in the next video everyone, and bye for now. And only this tense you can just read the book and practice like this, you can get it. So thanks for watching my video everyone, and see you in the next video.